school channel, Kooky Kiddos. In school, anxiety, friendship, new experiences. Trying something new can lead to fun and friendships. Kiddos, get a scene one. Freddy's pond or it holding a tight back and even bigger nerves. Why? Because today is Freddy's first day at frog school. Oh, what if no one likes me? What if I can't jump as far as the others? Gentle splash, birds chirping, soft piano. He's a little frog with big eyes, even bigger nerves. Why? Because today is Freddy's first day at frog school. What if no one likes me? What if I can't jump as far as the others? Gentle splash, birds chirping. On the way to school, on the way to school. What if I can't jump as far as the others? Gentle splash, oh, 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 gentle splash, oh, gentle splash, oh, 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 chirping. On the way to school, he notices something surprising. I'll even drop my crayons again. What if I forget everyone's names? Hey, they're nervous too. Hey, the music becomes a little more upbeat. You know, life begins, frog school begins. Frog school begins, frog school of fun. Frog school begins, jump, draw, and make new friends. Maybe this won't be so bad. They'll chime, rustling leaves, and making friends. Making friends, baby was hopping, helping, and giggling just like everyone else. This is fun, I made friends. You're great, jumping Freddy. Wanna sit with me at lunch? Laughter, lunchbox for these fun. Super lumping and splashes, bouncy, happy music with soft percussion. School ends, school ends. School ends. Freddy's first day at school wasn't scary at all. He learned, played, and made some very special friends. I can't wait to go back tomorrow. Sunset sounds, frogs croaking softly. I felt a lullaby, sound music, this scene fades. School and C6, moral of the story. Odd times, new things can feel scary, but when we give them a try, they might turn into something wonderful. Just like Freddy's first day at school. Cool. Trying something new can lead to fun and friendships.